How to build the perfect men's wardrobe. Building the perfect men's wardrobe can be a daunting task, but there are a few key pieces that every man should have in order to have a versatile and polished wardrobe. Here are some tips to help you build the perfect wardrobe. Invest in quality basics: a well-fitting white dress shirt, a navy blazer, a pair of khaki pants, and a good pair of dark denim jeans are all essentials that will serve as the foundation of your wardrobe. Add some color. Neutral colors like black, white, and gray are great for basics, but adding some color to your wardrobe can make it more interesting. Consider adding a pop of color with a colorful dress shirt or a brightly colored sweater. Experiment with textures. Adding texture to your wardrobe can help to add depth and interest. Try incorporating pieces made from different fabrics, such as tweed, corduroy, or velvet. Have a range of options for different occasions. Make sure you have a variety of options for different occasions. For example, you will need a suit for formal events, a casual outfit for the weekend, and a versatile outfit for a night out. Invest in quality footwear. A good pair of shoes can make or break an outfit. Invest in a pair of classic leather dress shoes and a pair of versatile sneakers. Accessorize. Accessories can take an outfit from basic to polished. Consider investing in a nice watch, a leather belt, and a good quality bag. Tailoring. It's important that clothes fit you well, so consider getting your clothes tailored. A good tailor can make a world of difference in how clothes look on you. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new styles, colors and patterns. Experimenting is key to finding what you like and what works for you. Remember that building the perfect wardrobe takes time and patience. Start with the basics and gradually add more pieces as you figure out what you like and what works for you.